We're gonna show you how it's done. I'm not the exact experienced GE repairman she would find, but there's some kind of black motor or some shit on the bottom of this dishwasher. Now we're gonna shoot at it. You see the size of it here. What, the 45 ACP? Good old Springfield, 1911, mil spec. At around, I'd say 10 yards roughly. All right, so let's see what we can do. We're both gonna take a turn at it. All right, people. It's like I say, up here roughly 10 yards, we're gonna take the Springfield 1911 out and shoot at that black motor. I don't know what it is. A lot of you's probably like, man, how don't you know what that freaking little... I don't know what it is, people. I'm the G repairman that does those types of repairs. So anyway, here we go. See some kind of cable go flying out. Okay. All right. We'll let my son take a turn and we'll get in there and take a look. All right, here you go, buddy. He's gonna slap at the black box. I don't know what that thing is. All right. That last show hit you?
Hit him right under the eye.
Alright. That was good. Good old Springfield. You got trigger happy on that one, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You know what that is, son? Alright, people. This is pretty cool here. A 45 slug actually got completely lodged into this. This is like a compressor or some shit. I don't know what it is. Freaking water pump, I'm guessing. Okay, lodged completely in there. Look at that, the smacking dents. This is thick. Thick. Look at that big freaking gaping indention.
Looks like we put like 4 shots in that one hole.
Holes up in there. Indentions here. There's where we just blow the screw out of it, as you can see. I don't think we got any low shots. We didn't really miss any. That right there is from where...
Too thick.
Look, it hit right here, where I'm pointing. And bounced off and veered...
Into that.
Into that over there. So, pretty cool. Now we're going to tip this bad boy back up. Wait a minute, people. We had to get this little quick one here. Throw in right quick.
Look at
we just tilted this thing back up. And a bunch more fragments. We found a 45 slug. Look at that deformation there. Freaking beast.
And where it went, it hit this right here and bounced.
It hit the freaking heater coil and bent it upwards. That whole freaking U shape. If you'll notice on the earlier parts of the video, it was not there.